The standard 220-age formula is dangerously inaccurate for fit masters runners, often underestimating your true capacity by 10 to 15 beats. Physiologically, our maximum heart rate declines by about 1 beat per year, but the critical change is actually recovery speed. Studies show masters athletes take significantly longer to replenish glycogen and repair muscle damage. Since the standard formula fails us, we need a better baseline. While a field test is best, the Tanaka formula provides a much more accurate starting point for healthy adults than the traditional calculation. To adapt, we must modify the polarization of our training. We increase the volume of strict Zone 2 work to preserve aerobic fitness without triggering the systemic inflammation that leads to burnout. However, never abandon intensity completely. Sarcopenia targets fast-twitch muscle fibers first. We need short, high heart rate intervals to maintain power, essentially, using it so we don't lose it. Finally, the most practical hack for masters runners is breaking the 7-day week. Expanding to a 9-day cycle allows for 2 full recovery days between quality sessions, keeping injury risk low. Respect your biology, extend your recovery, and keep showing up.